People download and install Node.js in your system. After that, you can see here in the pre-built installer there is a download option for Node.js. After that you can download it and install it in your system. So after that, go to your sublime text and to after that build system and new build system. Hit in new click in new build system, and you have to replace that code with another code, as you can see here. Go to tools, build system. After that, new build system. Click in new build system. Replace this code with another code, as I will replace it. See it very carefully. See it very carefully, and you have to name your file as javascript sublime dash build. Replace this code with another code. Yes, replace this code in the untitled sublime build sublime dash build, and replace the file name as javascript sublime dash build, and you have to save the file type as extension as a JSON file. You can see here JSON. Make it JSON, and after making JSON, you are almost to your destination. Hit save button, as I have already saved the file, so I do not have to do that. You can see JavaScript over here, tools, build system, and there is JavaScript, and to run the JavaScript file, go to tools and build. You can see the output of the program. Thank you.
Subscribe the channel for more knowledgeable video. Subscribe the channel for more knowledgeable video.